So my dog Max is obsessed with my mom. Like, she leaves the room and he goes full Romeo and Juliet. One day she goes grocery shopping and I'm home alone with Max. I sneeze. Max looks at me, confused, and then bolts upstairs. 10 minutes later, he comes back with one of my mom's bras in his mouth. He drops it at my feet, sits down, and stares at me like, "This is yours now. You are her." I try to give it back. He growls. Now, every time I sneeze, he brings me another bra. I sneezed twice last week. I have a collection now. Pretty sure my dad thinks I'm doing witchcraft.